Barbara Fox was heavily intoxicated, probably around 0.178. She was riding a horse on an unsealed country road. Coming from the other direction was Megan Percy, not intoxicated at all, driving a combi van. They collided and the horsewoman was badly injured. Both sides argued that they were on their correct left-hand side of the road. The investigating officer found skid marks from the van on the left-hand side of the road. The van ended up on the left-hand side too, and yet the judge at first instance found that the combi van had been on the right-hand side of the road. The basis for this finding was the expert report of a Mr. Tyndall, who analysed the available data and information and argued that the front right-hand side of the car had struck the front right-hand side of the horse, which had pushed the car back over to the left. The Court of Appeal and the High Court both agreed that the judge should not have relied on this evidence. Justice Callanan in the High Court said, Mr. Tyndall was described as an accident reconstruction expert. That is an ambitious claim. Rarely, in my opinion, will such evidence have very much or any utility. Usually it will be based upon accounts, often subjective and partisan accounts, of events occurring very rapidly and involving estimates of time, space, speed and distance made by people unused to the making of such estimates. Minor and even unintended but inevitable discrepancies in relation to any of these are capable of distorting the opinions of the experts who depend on them. It is also open to question whether variables in relation to surfaces, weather and the tyres, weight and mechanical capacities of the vehicles involved can ever be suitably accounted for so as to provide any sound basis for the expression of an opinion of any value to the court. The engagement of experts in running down cases is not a practice to be encouraged. His Honour also noted that experts have a nearly inevitable tendency of finding arguments which favour the side that engaged them, which limits the value of their evidence. From this case, we learn that in traffic matters, reconstruction of the accident by experts is rarely likely to be helpful, and the court will be more persuaded by direct physical and testimonial evidence.